Here are the 5 best ways to make $2,000 per month using ChatGPT Ai from all over the world.
Number 1. Freelance writing. Build your own scene. Leverage your writing skills and knowledge of ChatGPT Ai to offer freelance writing services. Create compelling content for businesses and charge competitive rates, aiming to secure multiple clients to reach your $2,000 monthly goal. Number 2. Virtual tutoring. Utilize ChatGPT Ai's expertise to offer virtual tutoring sessions. Specialize in subjects like language learning, coding, or mathematics, providing personalized lessons and guidance. Market your services through online platforms or social media to attract students and generate steady income. Number 3. Chatbot development. Develop and sell customized chatbots using ChatGPT Ai's capabilities. Businesses are increasingly adopting chatbots for customer support and engagement. Build conversational chatbots that cater to specific niches and offer your services to companies seeking automated solutions. Number 4. Content curation. Curate valuable content using ChatGPT Ai and create engaging newsletters or social media posts. Gather relevant information, analyze trends, and present curated content to niche audiences. Monetize your efforts by partnering with brands or utilizing advertising platforms to earn revenue from clicks or subscriptions. Number 5. AI consulting. Position yourself as an AI consultant, leveraging your expertise in ChatGPT Ai. Offer guidance and advice to individuals or businesses seeking to integrate AI technologies into their operations. Remember, success in these endeavors requires continuous learning, effective marketing, and building a strong reputation. With dedication and persistence, you can turn your ChatGPT Ai skills into a profitable source of income, reaching your $1,000 monthly goal. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more recent updates.